We are on the Bonnieville Library website. Now, if you're using a desktop computer, all of your website sections will be listed along the top. If you're using a tablet or mobile device, then these little 3 bars over here, you're going to tap those and all of your navigation comes up there. We're going to follow the bouncing ball to eResources. And we're going to take a look at this blue tutorials tab on the side. In a previous video, we took a quick look at the library help tutorials, but just look at this list of categories. There's likely something that will catch your eye that maybe you're struggling with figuring out how to use a particular e-resource or app, or you want to learn how to use a new piece of software. So these are tutorials for all of the e-resources that are available to you with your library card. We're going to jump back to categories. You can learn how to use different aspects of Google, manage your Google Photos, Sheets, all that good stuff. Same thing with Microsoft Office. Oh, you need to make a PowerPoint presentation and you need a few tips along the way. And a really great one, research. If you know somebody who's in university or a high school student, or maybe you're working on a project and you need to figure out how to ask the right questions, find the right information. And also these citation guides can help if you are trying to cite your research in your paper. Really handy, all at your fingertips right from the library website.